In this video, I'm going to show you how you can submit your payment information easily so that you can also get paid easily. Let's go to the Finance page, which you can find at Manage, Finance. At the top left corner of the page, you'll see the Overview section. This includes your monetization earnings, which is the total amount of revenue you've generated either overall, or if you've already been paid, in the previous payment period. Underneath the monetization earnings, there is a small icon which you can click, and when you do, you'll be able to change the minimum monthly payment that you want to receive. What is this minimum monthly payment? Well, it is the number you set to indicate to us how little or how much you would accept as your minimum payment from Mass. We offer 3 minimum payments, $50, $150, and $300. So depending on the earnings of your game, you can get paid faster with a lower monthly minimum payment. I'll submit mine as $50. Now, in addition, underneath, you'll see a green progress bar. This progress bar indicates how close you are to reaching the minimum monthly payment that you set. Looks like I'm doing great, and I'm sure you will be soon too. Below, you'll see your payments history. There are 4 key things that you'll be able to access. The approval date, which is when we approved your payment. The amount submitted, meaning how much we paid you in that payment period. The payment method, which you chose or will choose when you submit your payment information. And the status of your payment, meaning whether or not your payment has been accepted by your bank and our payment partner Tipalti, or rejected, or is in processing. You can also check once you have a payment record to see more details on the record and export your entire payment history to an Excel sheet. Now, how do you submit your payment information? For that, scroll up and click the Create button. This will load Tipalti, our payment partner's form for collecting payment information. The first page of this form is fairly straightforward. You'll need to specify some personal information or company information, including what type of entity you are, email address, phone number, name, address, and if you're a company, a few more important pieces of information which we won't cover in this video, but which are fairly straightforward. Once you've completed this information, you want to click Next. Once you click Next, you'll see a form to collect your payment method information. There are 4 payment methods offered by our payment partner. Direct deposit is a quick method to send money directly to your bank account, but has a limited range of countries where it's available. It is, however, also the cheapest way to get money sent from Tipalti and Mass to your account, so we advise it if possible. Next is wire transfer. Wire transfer sends money to your bank as well and is available around the globe. However, wire transfer has very high transaction fees, ranging from $15 to $26 depending on your earnings. We don't advise this if you have alternatives. Check is also a very straightforward method of payment, but is slow to be delivered to your address and, of course, requires you to go to the bank to submit the check. Finally, there's PayPal. PayPal transaction fees are very low, and the resolution time for a PayPal payment is very quick. PayPal is also available around the globe, so if you have the option, we advise you take it. Now, once you've completed all the key information, you can click Next, and you'll have completed setting up your payment information with Mass, and be ready to receive your first payment. That's all for this video. Thanks for checking it out, and I'll see you in the next one.